Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it gently at the top, and slowly release through your mouth. Let your body relax, let your shoulders drop, let the day fade away. Nowhere to go, nothing to do, just being right here in this moment. Again, breathe in deeply, hold, and exhale gently. When you're ready to do so, as long as you're in a safe space to do so, begin to lightly close your eyes. Let your body rest and your mind soften. You are safe. You're supported. You are now entering your own inner sanctuary where safety and support are key. The place where the invisible becomes visible, where divine operation begins to work through you. Let yourself drift into this still, relaxed state. This is the sacred doorway between the seen and the unseen, the place Neville Goddard called the state akin to sleep, the womb of creation. Begin to imagine you are standing in a field of golden light. The air around you feels like abundance, rich, warm, supportive. You are smiling, relaxed, open to receive. And in front of you right now is your best friend, money. Not just numbers on a screen or paper in your hand, but a living, breathing presence. Wise, loving, loyal. Money is smiling back right at you. You feel joy. You feel safe with money. You feel at home with money. Now say softly in your mind or out loud the great Thomas Troward quote, "My mind is a center of divine operation." My mind is a center of divine operation. 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 Let the words become your reality and who you're rising to become. Feel them echo through every cell of your being. They are activating your creative power right now. Now see in your mind that you're holding money in your hands. Large bills, large bank balances. It feels warm and clean. You feel so safe holding it and keeping it, not leaving, not running, but the money wants to stay. It's choosing you right now. You say to it in your imagination, "I love having you in my life, money. You're one of my best friends, money. It feels so amazing to have you, money. I am always with you, money." And money responds back to you in a large, loud voice, "I love being around you. You're safe with me. I will multiply for you every day. Let's soar together." Now take a moment and really feel the joy of this conscious relationship with money. A sense of wholeness, of reunion, of ease. No more chasing and no more fear, but love and attraction instead. Now let's repeat the mantra 10 more times. My mind is a center of divine operation. 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 Now see this. You're going to sleep at night peacefully. As you sleep, your bank account grows. You see notifications in the morning, another 10,000 received, another 50,000 deposited, another 300,000 received. Your name is on the money. Everything is working. Miracles are happening overnight. And the cool part about all of this is money is finding its way to you. It's all part of the divine operation. You feel your heart beam with gratitude. And now you see the words in your mind, I am in a money soar. Everything I touch turns to gold. Money is always with me. In fact, big money is always flowing into my life. I trust the flow, and I feel safe to receive money, keep money, invest money, and grow money. These words sink deep. They are forming a new money paradigm in your subconscious identity. An identity that magnetizes, that allows, that lets. 10 more times for our mantra. My mind is a center of divine operation. 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 You're now seeing money show up in unexpected ways, miracles coming into your life. Surprise checks, surprise bank balance increases, new clients or new gigs or opportunities, gifts. You don't even blink anymore. It's normal now when it happens. It's your standard. You feel rich. You feel calm. You feel divinely chosen. Money is your divine partner, and you are finally open to receive without resistance. In fact, receiving large, big quantities of money endlessly on a daily basis. Here's the final time we're going to be saying the mantra out loud, the great Thomas Troward saying, my mind is a center of divine operation. 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 Let the feeling expand. From your heart, let it grow into your chest, down your arms, into your fingertips, down through your spine, through your legs and feet. Every part of your being is vibrating in abundance now. You are the cause, you are the center, you are the channel, you are the chosen one for money. See your ideal life, the gift of your dream home, the gift of your dream wealth, the gift of joy, the gift of your smile, the gift of inner peace. See the money all around you flowing in, allowing it to spread, invest, and magnify who you are. Money is your best friend. It feels amazing to have. It's safe to hold and stay with you. Now tell yourself, I'm in a money soar, and miracles are happening overnight. And as we begin to close this meditation, feel into your heart, taking a deep breath, watching money smile at you as you smile at it. Let your new money identity settle in. It is done. It is done. It is completed. And whenever you're ready, take your time, gently, coming back to the physical world, slowly but surely, starting to open up your eyes. And as you look around in your own time frame, remember that your energy signature around money has significantly changed. You don't need to look for where the money is. You don't need to check into your bank account right now. Just remember that money is now your best friend, and it's magnifying over and over every moment from here on out, the rest of your day, into tomorrow, this week, this month, and this year, this decade for you. Thank you for being here. And go ahead and take one more breath in and one more breath out. And we suggest you do this meditation every day for minimal 10 days to really see the effect of it at the deepest level. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe and throw a like on it if you've gotten value out of this meditation. And we'll see you over in the next video. Scott Haug, signing off.